of the queens.
Miss Oba watch me 5 this year. Oh, ain't no, yeah, can I say be in Philly the other one na say baby. In fact, girl not surprised yes, sister if you know why I did because 2 songs I was dropping in a hot. As a singer, their own friends soon as me a punch. Wa punch say Mayweather send ya no I moon and the why I did. But people are saying some me say will be a trauma no. You see as a poof. Eh bomidima minim.
That's Afriland they are better than they are.
And then walk to Twitter. Girl ne say Ghana 4 pound or no atro ne nwom no. You be say the glory ni come obi. Oh. Eti baje we nie my any tietia. Your program be friend Kasahari level.
Okay.
Me be say me bie mom.
Yeah.
Me cheso mom open mind.
Ene mumienu ni.
Mumienu momra. Mobia.
Same beat.
What ya same beat.
We are now we are.
Eno baroni ni sister fie ni. Na momra Kasahari level na ye miemu.
Straight up.
Oh, mo pe honum na mo pe ofie kwan so aye betia e battle mo nko amunti mo nko aye betia e battle because still say ye nyina be agree say sister if you obi na trauma no bra battle
e be hwehwe no kufu
because you witness enu a wo ye freestyle out of the blue but me witness sister if you freestyle yet it is say you obi na trauma a me to challenge no say ye bie mama omo all right eja beggar for me so say we beggar so we asheshe say be vegan am say mama no so try we mo ne ye pe the same size obi to fian say Vodafone chip ne dey egu so e discuss ho no because etwon ye dey be fi anka menka ho ye gu so e bie semnim e wo ho nti baje wo cheso battle ya na wo cheso
oh me dey
na so cheso battle ya biem na omo be battle na ye nhwe nti comment section ma me hu dey support na ye enu a tro eno na fa queen sign so say sister Fia fa na fa Mayweather punch so emamme baje me to ansem ne so a eno a me kan say be about the artist streaming no baje mami mu kotojo wa kwenya so na enye ti mani abre ya abre nua ba mami dia
wabu ampa o
me so mu a kotojo nsa danse ye mebu kotojo Mr. Magani artist ni di wate. Munyai downloading no. Mr. Mohe mini e bia money. Okay. O chopa na o patch on. Sorry answer na meso me kasi bitro. Sorry na meso me kasi bitro. Me a chopa na o paniti kura me mo pizza bia. De empesa me chon so no say. Anyon to for na nkasa so no. Omo so ka hu bi. O mai dey.
See and you be an now download free download baby. No. Omunankasa now to me by interview no aka oh I available baby free oh no. So now you say na be na wanyeska. But some of them you get it obey ya unya free downloads or baby everywhere unless you buy it on the internet. So why are some able to do it? Now the they are called to us a free download. Now they also about the success people download them free and then don't make money.
Yeah, funny so obi abonye 1 2 bi na afate piyong. O share any hit songs. Na se nyum 2 ye atadwa. Now we enjoy kakra obey costume. I was obi akwa be dog o.
That's way. Wow. They shouldn't come back and be making noise and people are downloading free and they are not making money out of that because at the end of the day they themselves upload it over there for people to download them.
But they change streaming na yanko Facebook comment Dorothy or Donko must say a girl nini all right Saidu Mohammed also watching live from Italy Catania good work you do or Mickey Opolo or see Eno Baroni Jeffrey Amofa or see Eno Baroni Afari Atimpim Busa or see Eno all the way Nana ya Boaten see Eno Emilia Havo see Eno Baroni all the way Kumsen Abigail or see Eno Baroni Sami oh so why do you compare Fia to Eno? Eno has killed DJ Black's beat, so forget about Fia. Yeah, you know. I don't know. Nyoti penny Eno. You can't any hater, but nyoti penny. I know what drop is. It stream na make no. When him say, you say 1 million stream is equals to $7,000.
Wow,
1 million streams. But Ghana population cry 20 million. It would be 1 million. I go so streaming.
Ebi dia minimum no
9 million.
Yeah, what is it go?
I'm for you. And you know, what at least you're more artists so yeah campaign so they could stream in a bar, they nye cake be meche. Well, say the me now say, Brajer on a serious note, or moon streaming artists name no. Artists no so send your Brajer we can oko interview you are the holder of the key. It's
baby platforms say Spotify
na ye ndie che ni enko streaming mamu because corona am say jo am for as one shipa you know mama fa last story njao said that I am man for abaso no a name per se ye bo papa bi abaso papa eba voice over set your voice radio adverts jingle name no ono na ma fancy language then funny enough no he's not even fancy ni din adodo na nim no set Kwame Jokoto and e baje bo am ne mo nsema papa because I think so or a legend
papa
or a legend papa when now man advert send your bear rattle aye adverts no e dey amount
no unim na say bi kura mete say ono no baby bia o na yes say obi timi am advert bi so chale ade ohwe products kono ade ama no oya otimi say why ye name bi oya so we twa otimi twa obi ground tram market so betimi Uncle studio
a legend but you know he's not fancy fancy language you know I'm for almost for a fancy he's not fancy but I think so one legend that we should praise him why the acting skills they just don't go there he's got it on point always since he offer Kwame Jokoto baby I will be no fear kwanso and then you may your boy abaso why be Magana into no baby I will be and I always think it makes me a flower but from our hearts we are so thankful for the Audia Kagana showbiz baby I will be into no mijina so na masori omunsha me bisa nyom so na ade e fitch na ko mo munru anke meja ifalama o say me kon konsa boy dey means me metna 500 say you hey
sorry ko in these days of COVID-19, very important say never stick to the strict hygienic procedures. Keep it safe. Now, one such ways I'll be to me actually keep it safe. Then say, limited the physical handling of cash.